The area of Rockaway Township, which is known as Mount Hope, was once an iron mining community. Iron was mined and produced here from the early 1700s until the 1970s. During the Revolutionary War, the Mount Hope Ironworks produced supplies and ammo for the Continental Army. The Ford-Faesch home takes its name from two men who were prominent in the iron industry before and during the Revolutionary War, Jacob Ford Jr. and John Jacob Faesch. Hessian soldiers who were taken prisoner at the Battle of Trenton were brought here in March 1777 to work as prisoners of war. Faesch continued to run the ironworks at Mount Hope after the Revolutionary War ended in 1783, and he would continue to do so for the rest of his life. After playing an important role in the production of military goods during the war, he played an important political role after the war as well. In 1787, he was one of the three delegates from Morris County at the convention which ratified the United States Constitution for New Jersey. Faesch died on May 29, 1799, and is buried at the Presbyterian Church in Morristown, New Jersey. For more information on historical happenings in Rockaway Township, make sure you check out the Rockaway Township Historical Society and follow them on Facebook. There's so many events happening right in our own backyards.
Thank you.